Several days ago, the Law Ministry unveiled a list of NRO beneficiaries. It contained the name of several high-profile political personalities. President Asif Ali Zardari topped the charts. Other individuals included MQM chief Altaf Hussain and former Pakistan People's Party chairperson Nusrat Bhutto. The People's Party government believes that President enjoys immunity under the Constitution. Hence, he will not face the negative fallout of the recent Supreme Court verdict. But several legal experts think otherwise.
That the immunity is not unconditional. It is not absolute. It is conditional. It is qualified.
It seems that at least for the time being, the President will not be affected by the scrapping of the NRO. But what about the parliamentarians?
For example, if there are certain parliamentarians who are facing charges before the trial court, accountability court, or certain inquiry or investigation were pending, for the time being there is no threat for them. But if there is another category, for example, if certain persons were convicted by the trial court and their appeals were pending and those appeals or revision were disposed of in view of this NRO, they would be in difficulty.
The records of the National Accountability Bureau show that Interior Minister Rahman Malik, Defence Minister Ahmad Mukhtar, Minister for Overseas Pakistanis Farooq Sattar, Minister for Ports and Shipping Babar Ghori, Sindh Governor Ishratul Ibad, and parliamentarians included Jahangir Badr, Yusuf Talpur, Aftab Sherpao, and Wasim Akhtar have also benefited from the NRO. It is widely believed that the ministers should resign, even if other NRO-tainted parliamentarians retain their offices.
Minister means that he is also having some control over the exchequer, maybe to the limited extent, to the extent of his ministry and all that. So it would be, ridiculous that there is a charges of corruption against a minister, sitting minister. He is facing charges. It's not a criminal murder charge or something. Corruption charges in the last round of, and now again he is sitting over the exchequer.
Under Article 62F of the Constitution, a parliamentarian must be an honest and righteous person. Yet, the said parliamentarians got several corruption and criminal cases removed against them under the NRO. The National Assembly rules say the Speaker can move a reference of disqualification against any sitting parliamentarian if a written complaint is moved against him. Shahzad Raza, DawnNews, Islamabad.